Good morning, friends. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, you all know that we are facing a crucial situation due to COVID-19 virus, and our whole nation is also locked down. So I think you all are also facing a lot of problem in your study at your home. So as far as possible by me, I will try to solve your problem through my online classes. So students, for you all, from today I am going to start chapter first, nutrition in plants. And remember, students, I have already provided you notes of this chapter. So let's we start explaining this chapter. Students, in this chapter, first question is arising here that what is the nutrition. So students, we all know that on this earth different types of organisms live and all are easy to do any type of activity. And students, you all know that from where we get energy? We get energy only from our food. So as a definition of nutrition, we can say that the process of utilizing food to obtain energy. Students, try to understand the process of taking food, utilizing food to obtain energy for growth and development is called nutrition. It means the process of utilizing food to obtain energy is called nutrition. So I am writing here, first topic is rising here nutrition, and I am writing here definition of nutrition. The process of utilizing food to obtain energy for growth and development is called nutrition. So, friends, let's try to understand once again. The process of utilizing food to obtain energy for growth and development is called nutrition. So, I hope you all have understand the definition of nutrition. Students, one more question is arising here. What is nutrients? Next topic is nutrients. Students, we have already learned in class 6 the different components of food. And what is the different components of food? The different components of food is carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, fats and minerals. Collectively all are called nutrient. So students, we can say that the whatever we eat and from food we obtain energy. So whatever we obtain from food is called nutrients. In the definition we can say that the various components of food are carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, proteins and fats. Collectively this is called nutrients. So the definition of nutrients is the various components of food are carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, fat, minerals are collectively are called nutrients. And you all know that all plants and animals need energy to develop and grow. So this is the definition of nutrition and nutrients. Students, in this chapter we have only learned about nutrition in plants. So we will discuss only about the nutrition in plants in this chapter. So our next topic is the mode of nutrition. Modes of nutrition. What is the mode of nutrition? Means how many type of nutrition in plants. So there are two types of nutrition in plants. First is autotrophic nutrition, and second is heterotrophic nutrition. So first we discuss about the autotrophic nutrition. So students, what is the autotrophic nutrition? So students, those organisms who make their food itself from simple inorganic substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Means those organisms in the plants who don't need any help to make their food and make their food by self is called autotrophic nutrition. So I am writing here definition of autotrophic nutrition. So we can say that the mode of nutrition in which organism make their food by itself from simple inorganic substances is called autotrophic nutrition. So students, as a definition we can say that autotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which an organism make their food itself from simple inorganic substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Students, most of plants are autotrophic nutrition. They make their food by itself with the help of photosynthesis. So our next is topic is heterotrophic nutrition. What is the heterotrophic nutrition? So students, we can say that the mode of nutrition in which an organism they cannot make their food by itself and depend on other for their food is called heterotrophic nutrition. So I am writing here the definition of heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism which cannot make their food which cannot make their food by itself and depend on other for their food. So we can say that the definition of heterotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which an organism which cannot make their food and depend on other for their food is called heterotrophic nutrition. So this is the autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So students, today we have learned nutrition, nutrients and mode of nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition, second is heterotrophic nutrition, Students, in next class we will discuss about autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition in deeply, and students we will also discuss about that how autotrophic nutrition make their food itself with the help of photosynthesis. So that's it, students. That's it for today. Stay home, stay safe, take care.